Namo Namaha. Learning Sanskrit by Steps. Number 28. Vyanjana Sandhayaha. Part 4. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Saturday, March 21st, 2020. Sutrani about Vyanjana Sandhayaha are of course many more than the 12 mapped in the matrix cum Venn diagram. Not all Sutrani can be fitted yet here. Yet fitted is Sutram Kuhoschuhu 7462. It is at the rectangle number 8, which is application Prasanga Visheshataha according to the situation demanding. Note Kuhoschuhu means substitution of Varnaha Ku, all of Kavarga, and her by Chu, that is appropriate Varnaha of Chavarga. For example, Icharthakani of Kru are as Chikirshati. In making an Icharthakam, the Vyanjanam in that dhatu, for example, Vyanjanam Ka in Kru, is to be doubled. But instead of Ka being doubled, instead of making it Kikirshati or something, that Ka gets replaced by Cha. So this is one example of application of Kuhosh Chuhu. Forms of Dhatavaha, Ha Jahati, Hu Juhoti, have substitution of her by Ja, because these are dhatus of the third gana, and in third gana the dhatus, the tigantas of the dhatus also get a duplication of the Vyanjanam consonant here. So Ha to be duplicated does not become Hahati, or Hu does not become Huhoti, but it becomes Jahati and Juhoti. That means Ha is substituted by Ja. So Kuho Chuhu. Sutram Jhayo Honyatarasyam applies to Jhay as Puvavarnaha and Ha as Paravarnaha. Since Jhay means 20 Vargi Vyanjanani, excepting the 5 Anunasikani, this applies to Ha as Paravarnaha. So 20 multiplied by 1 equal to 20 instances marked by the dark bordered rectangle here. The sutram contains the word Anyatarasyam, meaning alternatively or optionally. The rectangle is in the ambit of the grey rectangle of Jhalam Jashonte 8239. Note also the 4 red strips of Chohokuhu 8230. Some good example is Vach plus Harihi. Cha becomes Ka, Vak plus Harihi, Chohokuhu. And then Vag plus Harihi, Ka becomes Ga because of Jhalam Jashonte. And then Vag plus Harihi can become Vag Harihi or alternatively Vag Harihi. Vag Harihi is by Jhayo Ho Anyatarasyam. Note, Paravarnaha Ha changes to Gha, the fourth letter, aspirated soft of the same Vargaha as of the previous Ga. When studying Sanskrit verses, the first step is to do Sandhi Vichhedaha or Padachhedaha. In both these words, there is an extra Cha in the letter Che. One can appreciate that the extra Cha happens in the natural course of pronunciation, Sandhi Vichhedaha, Padachhedaha. It happens in the natural course of pronunciation. Prakriya for Padachhedaha is Pada plus Chedaha, Padat plus Chedaha. There is an agama of Ta by Che Cha 6173. Ta then changes to Da by Jhalam Jashonte 8239. Hence Padachhedaha. Da changes to Ja by stohoshchunashchuhu 8440, and then z changes to ch by kharicha 8455. So finally pada plus chedaha is padachedaha. That extra ch comes in. A sandhi of ta plus sh also merits study. For example, yat plus shokam. The prakriya is puvarnaha ta changes to the by jhalam jashonte 8239. The changes to sh because of paravarnaha sh by stohoshchunashchuhu. The is part of stoho, because it is of the tavarga, and whatever is of tavarga will change to shchunashchuhu. So sh changes to ch because of paravarnaha sh by kharicha 8455, and then paravarnaha sh changes to ch by shashchoti 8463. Hence yat shokam finally becomes yachokam. I admit that it is one thing to explain the prakriya by quoting related sutrani, like what I have done just now. But if one wants to ask a question, how do I know that I have to first apply Sutram 8 to 39? I think the answer is in my Venn diagram of 34 multiplied by 47 equal to 1598 cells, showing domains of a few select sutrani. Actually, the combination of Purvavarnaha ta and Paravarnaha sh, that is row of ta and column of for sh, leads one directly to the cell ta plus sh, which is in the grey area of Sutram Jhalam Jashonte, with Stohoshchunashchuhu also mentioned in parenthesis. In these grey areas, Sutram Kharicha 8455 is also mentioned with yellow highlight color. This much about ta of ta plus sh changing to ch. The sh of ta plus sh also changes to ch by shashchoti. See here 8463, that dark blue background strip that is shown here across the row for sh. Note, this change happens because sh is not just sh but sho. I am not going into the details of it. I thought it good to discuss this yat plus shokam equal to yat shokam, because this type of Vyanjana Sandhi is in Gita 2-8, the shloka 8th in the second chapter, twice in succession. See, yachokam uchchoshanam indriyanam. This looks like a single 11-letter word, but splits as yat shokam uchchoshanam indriyanam. Note, uchchoshanam is also ut plus shoshanam, drying up. Actually, knowledge of sandhi rules is important for a student, not only for being able to make sandhis, but also to be able to decipher Sanskrit texts. It ought to be noted that cho in uchchoshanam is ta plus sho, but che in padachedaha is not ta plus she. Here, cha has come in as an agamaha because of padacheda che. In uchchoshanam, it is change adesha of ta to cha and of sho to cho. We studied that uchchoshanam becomes ut plus shoshanam becomes uchchoshanam by the prakriya a jhalam jashonte 8 to 39, a stohoshchunashchuhu 8440, kharicha 8455, shashchoti 8463. I do not know of any book which explains how one jumps from 8 to 39 to 8440 to 8455 to 8463. My Venn diagram shows the sequence 8239 to 8440 to 8455 together. But to realize that Shashchoti also applies and the Prakriya becomes complete only after applying that, I think one needs to study Ashtadhyayi completely and also learn the Prakriyas. Alternatively, one may study good number of Sanskrit texts and develop the skill to know that Utshoshanam is Ut plus Shoshanam. But is not to be so split because it is mandatory that Utshoshanam is Utshoshanam only. But Yat Shokam does split as Yat plus Shokam, and one can interpret it only by so splitting. There is an edition of Gita by Gita Press Gorakhpur giving Padachhedaha of every shloka. In my YouTube videos on learning Sanskrit by verses, also about Gita, I always give Padachhedaha. I cannot fit in all Vyanjana Sandhya in the Venn diagram. There is also the dilemma of, in outlining the diagram, what sequence to follow for the Varnamala, whether the one of dictionaries or of Shiva Sutrani. Sutram Torli 8459 would have a dispersed domain by Varnamala in Shiva Sutrani because Toho means Varnas of the Tavarga. They are in different rows if we take the rows as per the Shiva Sutrani. Because Tathadadhana, the Anunasikam Na comes much above Yamagananam in that Sutra number 7. Whereas Anunasikam Tha Zabhai Ghada Dhash Khapa Chatata Chatatau. There it comes Tha and then Chatatau. Tha and Tha, they come there. Ghada Dhash, that comes in another sutra. So all these Vyanjanani of Tavarga come in different Shiva Sutrani. So if we follow the Varnamala of Shiva Sutrani, the rows will be dispersed. Maybe if we follow the Varnamala as per the dictionary, then Ta Tha Da Dha Na will come in one sequence, in one group. But because Sutrani in Ashtadhyayi are more linked up with the Shiva Sutrani, to explain Sutrani of Ashtadhyayi, Vyanjana Sandhi Sutrani in particular, it becomes convenient to have the diagram outlined by following the sequence in Shiva Sutrani. And if we follow Shiva Sutrani, Sutram Torli would have a dispersed domain. By the way, Torli is also an interesting sutra. There is not much of a prakriya. For example, Tat plus Linaha becomes Tallinaha. Means what? If Purva Varnaha is any Varnaha of Tavarga and Paravarnaha is La, it applies only for Paravarnaha La, remember. The Purva Varnaha changes to La. So this Sutram Torli applies only for 5 cells, so to say. Purva Varnaha, any Varnaha of Tavarga, so 5. And Paravarnaha La, 5 multiplied by 1. Only 5 cells. So how can I pinpoint only 5 of the 1598 cells to make the diagram speak also of this sutram like Torli? But the point is, Torli specifies the Purva Varnaha changes to La. Now because Na also is of Tavarga, if Purva Varnaha is Na, it changes to La, nasal La, it changes to nasal La. So Bhavan Likhati will become Bhavan Likhati. I think we should close the study of Vyanjana Sandhya here. I guess my Venn diagram of Vyanjana Sandhya is a milestone contribution in the study of Vyanjana Sandhya. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to Sanskrit2601 at gmail.com. Shubhamastu.